Hi everybody, Patrick here from www.electroniclessons.com and www.engineeringshock.com. This is a very simple, portable, DIY DC to DC power supply with a digital display. Very simple to make. It took me an hour to put it together, about half an hour to design it. I'm offering this as a kit. You can find the full manual at www.instructables.com. Comes with a digital display. I don't have these specific terminal blocks in stock, but it will come with the 2 terminal blocks. An LM317 kit that has the variable potentiometer, a heatsink, the LM317, and all the components necessary for the input and the output voltage. So anyway, let me show you how it works. What you would end up using is likely a transformer, a wall transformer. This can handle upwards of 20 volts, so you can use your DC transformer that can supply about 18 volts. No, I wouldn't do any higher than that, but you can any voltage in between, 7 volts, 18 volts at the input right here. Right now I've got about 18 volts. I've got 18 volts. So I turn it on using my button. And the minimum is about 1.25 volts. In this case, it's reading 1.30 volts. So let's just turn on our multimeter. It's reading 1.27 volts. Let's go back to this. Let's just wind it up, shall we? This is the output reading. In this case, I can get it up to 16.23 volts. Now, you don't have to necessarily use this variable resistor. You can use a multi-turn for precision, but the kit comes with it. So the instructions can be found at www.instructables.com. Look for our engineering shock profile. Yeah, so very easy. On-off switch. There will be schematics. There's no software. This display comes with all the electronics soldered to the back of it. Very simple schematic. If you're new to electronics, this would be for you. It comes with the little do-it-yourself PCB. And what I like to do is when I'm working with the PCB is I like to, instead of using wires, I like to make my own traces. Now you can use wires. I've actually used 2 bridge wires just to make things look pretty. But if you're careful and you plan out your PCB a little bit more carefully than I did, you won't have to necessarily do that. And if you're very careful with your soldering, you can have nice paths, nice solder paths. Very simple, easy schematic. So if you're interested and you want to know more, go to www.instructables.com. And if you want some of these parts, you can go to www.engineeringshock.com or www.electroniclessons.com. But we will sell this kit on both of those sites directly, but we do sell the parts separately for a little bit more. So if you want to save some money, buy the kit. It comes with PCB, LM317 components, 2 terminal blocks, and the digital display, as well as an on-off switch. Thanks for watching, guys.